This video will demonstrate how you can quickly find results you are looking for by applying drop-down filters, sliders, and sorting methods for the creatives in Anstrex Native Spy tool. Let's first look at all the available filters and sort methods to gain an understanding of what each one does. Ad network filter allows you to find ads that are running on ad networks, such as Outbrain, Taboola, Rev Content, etc. Geo filter allows you to select ads by target country. Device filter allows you to find ads targeted towards either desktop or mobile devices. Language filter allows you to find ads with specific language in the creative text field. Category filter enables you to shortlist creatives for specific verticals. If an ad is found to be associated with an affiliate network, you can use the affiliate network filter to find such ads. The tracker filter identifies ads which are using specific third-party trackers such as volume, RedTrack, etc. The technology filter looks at the web technologies seen on landing pages, such as if the ads are directing to a WordPress blog or a Shopify store, or a page with AdSense ads, etc. Now let's look at each available sorting method and what each one means. Most popular, recent. This sorting method will show you the recently running popular ads. Most popular overall. This method sorts ads by its overall popularity during its entire running duration. Date first seen, ascending. This sorting method shows the ads in ascending order by its launch date. Date first seen, descending. This sorting method shows the ads in descending order by the date first seen. Date last seen, ascending. This sorting method shows the ads in ascending order by the date last seen. Date last seen, descending. This sorting method shows the ads in descending order by date on which they were last seen. Shortest running. This method sorts ads by its duration, with shortest running ads showing first. Longest running. This method sorts ads by its duration, with longest running ads showing first. Finally, let's understand the various available sliders. Days running slider. It is basically duration filter that allows you narrow down your search by choosing a minimum and maximum value in days that ads have been running for. Ad strength slider. It allows you to view and filter ads with specific ad strength range. Ad strength parameter is measured and updated on a daily basis and is primarily a function of number of impressions it is receiving on a daily basis. Ad gravity slider. It allows you to view and filter ads with specific ad gravity range. Ad gravity parameter shows high values only if the ad is currently running or has recently run with high impression count. This value starts falling if the ad stops running, and therefore it is an important parameter to find recently successful ads. Before we put these filters to action, please remember that you can select multiple values from each filter type and apply them simultaneously. Now, let's apply some filters. Let's say, I want to see Outbrain campaigns from Mexico and Brazil. I will first apply Outbrain Ad Network filter. Next, I will select Brazil from the Geo filter drop-down. I will again use the Geo filter drop-down to select Mexico. Finally, I will apply Mobile filter from the device drop-down. Please note that when you select any filter, you will see a check mark against the filter to indicate that the particular filter is already in use. In addition, you will see all the applied filters in this area. Each filter has its own individual label, and you can disable a filter by clicking on the X button. Finally, we will apply a sorting method to view the ads which have launched recently by selecting the Date First Seen descending filter. There you have it. The results here show you all the Outbrain ads with geo-targeted on mobile devices in Mexico and Brazil which are ordered by the launch date. I hope this video demonstrated the utility and application of various available filters in the top creative section of Anstrex Native product. I will see you in another video. Until then, cheers!